So the sun's out, sky's blue, and thoughts are turning to growing. Now, if you've ever considered growing plants in raised beds, whether it be vegetables or cut flowers or ornamental plants, things like rhododendrons and azaleas, if you've got chalky soil, you want to try and grow them in raised beds, then my raised bed masterclass at Stockton Bury Gardens, just outside Leominster in Herefordshire, could be the thing for you. I'm holding it on the 18th of April. Tamsin Westthorpe, one of the garden's owners, will be there as well to share her knowledge, but I'll be focusing on how to get the best from plants by tailoring the soil in your garden, in your raised bed, to get the best from your plants. There'll be all sorts of design ideas, what to build them out of, what to fill them with, the sort of soil or compost to fill them with, plus lots of ideas, tips, hints, all sorts of things from my 50 years of gardening. So come along and join us on the 18th of April. The morning course is 3 hours long and includes lunch. The afternoon course is the same duration and it includes afternoon tea in the ticket price. So book now to avoid disappointment, and in the meantime, happy gardening.